Professional cleaning is usually worth it for stubborn or large stains when the item has significant value or the stain has penetrated deeply. Professional cleaners assess fabric type and stain chemistry before selecting a method so they do not cause damage. They use truck-mounted or portable extraction systems that apply controlled heat and pressure to flush soils from fibers, while simultaneously vacuuming the emulsified soils and moisture, which is far more effective than surface scrubbing. Technicians choose solvent-based spotters for oil and grease, and enzyme or oxidizing agents for protein and organic stains, applying them in measured sequences to avoid color loss or fiber weakening. For delicate fibers such as silk or wool, pros can perform low moisture or dry cleaning techniques that protect yarn twist and finish, and they will test hidden areas first to confirm color fastness. For large-scale jobs like whole room upholstery or area rug restoration, professionals manage drying with air movers and dehumidification to prevent mold growth and set stains, and they can reweave fringes or reposition liners when structural repair is needed. Homeowners can prepare by blotting excess, avoiding household bleach, which can set stains, and documenting condition and fabric codes to share with the cleaner so work can be quoted accurately. 3 common mistakes are using the wrong household chemical, which sets the stain or discolors fabric, overwetting, which causes shrinking or backing separation, and delaying treatment, which allows stains to oxidize or bond to fibers. If a consumer uses the wrong chemical, stop and rinse with clear water and contact a professional for guidance rather than continuing trial and error. For overwetting, evacuate excess moisture with a dry towel and run fans to speed drying, then call a pro, who can apply low moisture techniques and extract properly. If treatment is delayed, photograph the stain for records and engage a professional quickly because they have access to concentrated enzymes and advanced oxidizers that can reverse set compounds when used correctly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project inspiration and practical articles that relate to stain remediation and large cleaning jobs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, ask questions, and find leads so both sides can make better choices.